In this video, we're going to build on the last tutorial, how to edit photos in Canva, and take it one step further, and we're going to turn our pictures into what looks like a painting. So we're going to take our picture from this to this, and we're going to start with our blank artboard, and I am using a desktop wallpaper size artboard so that you can clearly see what we're doing in the tutorial. And in the previous tutorial, how to edit photos in Canva, we talked about the basic apps and basic applications that are available to edit photos in Canva, and this is an additional app that I want to show you today. So I'm going to add my picture to the artboard, and I'm going to set it as my background so that you can clearly see everything. And you can do this with a photo that's in the Canva library, or you can upload your photo and do this with your own photo. This is what the photo looks like now. And I'm going to add this photo as well, because we're going to superimpose the second photo into the first photo, and we're going to make it all look like a painting. So the first thing that we want to do is highlight the puppy picture, come to edit image, and click on background remover. Okay, and then we're going to shrink this down and pull it up to the left-hand corner. We're going to go to flip and flip it horizontally. So now it looks like the pup is looking down on the girl who's sitting and thinking. We're going to highlight the picture that's the background. We're going to click edit image, and we're going to use the Prisma app. If you don't already have the Prisma app installed in your Canva, all you have to do is go to this more button, and you should see it in the list of apps that are available. And if you don't see it, just type in here Prisma, and it's not going to find it for me because I've already installed it. So again, go back to edit image. We're going to click on Prisma, and these are the different options you have with this app. This app is a little different than the other apps that Canva has in the fact that you really can't adjust the intensity. So let me show you. Let's click on Camelcade. That's what you get. You can't adjust the settings on it. And as long as you don't click apply, you can select another option and see what it looks like. So this is Camelcade. This is going to be wind. This is going to be snowfall. This is going to be passion fruit. This is going to be storm. This is going to be kick scooter. This is going to be lizard. This one is pattern, and this one is tiramisu. So that's what each of them look like. And I genuinely think that these look more like paintings than the other applications do. I think the other applications are super creative and great for the effects that they can add. If you really want something to look like a painting, use the Prisma application. Plus, the nice thing about this app is that you can add different effects. So go back to the original, and to get this look, we're actually going to use two different effects. We're going to start with the wind effect, and it does it automatically. We're going to click apply. Okay, and now it's done. It's already still selected. Edit image is already still selected. So we're going to click on the Prisma app again, and then we're going to click on kick scooter. The second effect used the first effect, and it basically enhanced it. I'm going to click apply. And for these, you can adjust all of these items as well, brightness, everything. And so we could actually take the warmth down just a smidge, make it just a little bit softer if you wanted. Okay, now it's time to edit this image. So we're going to select the pup, click on edit image, click the Prisma app, and we want to apply the same effects as this picture as well. So this is what it would look like if you selected a different application, if you selected a different effect. And it would be okay, it would just look slightly different. So we're going to restore the original, and that will take any effects that you added off of the picture. So now that we've restored the original, we do want to remove the background again. And again, we go on and remove that background because it just makes it easier in the long run. We're going to go back to Prisma. We're going to click on the wind effect. And don't worry about this background. We're going to fix it. Click apply and then go back to Prisma again. And we're going to click on kick scooter. Click apply. And now it's done. And you can see that even though we removed the background, the Prisma effect kind of brought the background back. So we have to go back to background remover. I'm going to click apply. So now the pup has the same effects and same look as the rest of the photo. We're going to come up to transparency and lighten it up so that it looks like it's in the clouds. I think he needs to be just a bit smaller. And there's your painting. That's how simple it is. It's so wonderful. And you will have so much fun with these. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever a new tutorial is published.